organizers of this event, and all of you for participating, because it is something extraordinary and remarkable, and you should all be very, very proud to be here today to support the work that's going on at Memorial. So give yourselves a hand. And our founding partner, Equinox, of course, is providing the facilities and is just an incredible partner in this event. So thank you, Equinox, as well. So I'd like to also say that 100%, this is very important, 100% of the funds that you have all raised goes directly to funding cancer research at Memorial. This is amazing. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about ovarian cancer. So ovarian cancer is the most lethal gynecologic malignancy to women. And the needle has not moved for decades in terms of improving the survivorship of this disease. Until very recently, a new drug has been approved by the FDA, in part because of clinical trials that happened at Memorial Sloan Kettering. And this has made a major difference in the lives of 20% of ovarian cancer patients. And has moved the needle for that part of the population. There's now longer survivorship, there's better quality of life, and those women can be with their grandkids, with their kids for longer. It's an amazing success story, in part due to the work that's gone on at MSK. What we're interested in doing is to provide that solution for more than 20% of the ovarian cancer patients. So we have research ongoing, and we have very exciting preliminary results that suggest that we can double that number and allow more women, twice as many women, to benefit from this new therapy. And so we are using the funds to further that agenda, and so that we can improve the lives of that double population of women. And furthermore, I think what's really important is that some women just don't respond well to toxic chemotherapy. And it's important to identify those women early in their clinical treatment, because those drugs have toxic effects, has impact on quality of life, and we want to be able to identify those women and actually stratify them or move them onto treatments that are more likely to benefit them. So our work is rooted in using genomics and computational modeling to identify these patients. And so all the funds that benefit our research go towards those goals. And I thank you very much for supporting that effort. So Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center is a foremost institution in the world. And so the work that we do at Memorial has benefit that goes outside the borders of New York City. And because we're an influential organization, the work that we do here and that we publish in the international literature benefits cancer patients around the world. So not only are you benefiting the hospital work that's going on here, but you're actually benefiting the whole international community. So you should be very proud of that as well. So give yourselves a hand for that. So the last thing I want to say is that you are all our partners. We are on the same team, and we're working together, and we cannot do the work that we do without your support, without philanthropy, without raising money. So some of the new ideas, especially some brand new ideas that are moving the needle forward, come from support from that can't be necessarily supported through the federal government funding, which can tend to be a bit conservative in terms of what it funds, because it wants to see that you're further down the road before obtaining funding. So the earliest ideas in innovation that really, really have the chance of moving the needle are supported and 100% by philanthropy. And these are the new ideas, the inspirational, innovation, disruptive ideas, if you will, are supported through Cycle for Survival. And so, again, I thank you for that. And that is how we will move the needle in a significant way. So, last thing I want to say is that today I am riding for my aunt. She is 75 years old. At age 70, she was diagnosed with stage 4 endometrial cancer, which is cancer of the uterus. It's very related to ovarian cancer. And yesterday was International Women's Day, as you all know. So I am very happy to report that my aunt is cancer-free. She has had 5 extra years with her lovely little grandchildren, who are my niece and nephews, and has made an incredible impact in their lives. And I want you all to think about, in honor of International Women's Day and women's cancers, the mothers, the aunts, the sisters, the nieces, the daughters that have been impacted by ovarian cancer. And I thank you very much for being here and supporting our work. You guys are amazing. Really good.
Dr. Shah, thank you.